Today, I'll show you how to add a signature line in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing a formal document, a contract, or simply want to add a professional touch to your letters, knowing how to insert a signature line in Word is a skill that can come in handy. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in the presentation of your documents. First, you'll want to open the document in Microsoft Word where you intend to add the signature line. Once you have your document ready, scroll to the location where you want the signature line to appear. This could be at the end of a letter, beneath a closing statement, or wherever you feel a signature is necessary. Placing your cursor in the right spot is crucial because this is where the signature line will be inserted. Next, head over to the menu at the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements to your document, from images and tables to symbols and, of course, signature lines. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll want to look for the text group. Within this group, there are several options, but the one we are interested in is the Signature Line option. Click on Signature Line and you will see a small drop-down menu. From this menu, select Microsoft Office Signature Line. This choice will open a prompt box where you can fill in the details needed for your signature line. The prompt box is straightforward, but let me guide you through it to make sure everything is clear. In the prompt box, you'll be asked to fill in several fields. The first field is for the signer's name. This is the person whose signature will be applied to the document, so make sure to type their full name. If you're the one signing, you'll enter your own name here. The next field is for the signer's title. This could be anything from manager to CEO, or even student, depending on the context of your document and who is signing it. Additionally, there is a field where you can enter the signer's email address. This is optional but can be useful if the document is going to be circulated electronically, as it provides a direct way to reach the signer. There's also a space for instructions to the signer, which can be helpful if there are specific things they need to know before signing, such as where to find related documents, or what steps to take after signing. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, simply click OK. Word will then insert the signature line at the location of your cursor. You'll notice that the signature line appears with a small X to indicate where the signature should go, along with the signer's name and title beneath it. This not only makes the document look professional, but also ensures that whoever is signing knows exactly where to do so. And there you have it. You've successfully added a signature line to your Microsoft Word document. This simple addition can lend a great deal of formality and credibility to your work. It's a quick process, but one that can make your document stand out with a professional polish. If you ever need to remove or edit the signature line, simply click on it and make your adjustments as necessary. Microsoft Word makes it easy to manage these elements, allowing you to maintain control over your document's appearance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a signature line in Microsoft Word. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on enhancing your Word documents. Happy documenting!